Hello, I'm Robert Chu, co-founder and CEO of Embleema. Myelodysplastic syndrome, MDS, is a blood disorder in which the bone marrow does not produce enough healthy blood cells. It weakens the body to fight infections or control bleeding. It's a severe disease with a survival rate of only 5 months for high-risk patients, and 75% of MDS patients are 60 years old and above. Why do I know about MDS? Well, it's very simple. My mother suffered from it, and sadly, she passed away from leukemia in 2009. This is why I feel so blessed to work with the MDS Foundation, who is doing a terrific job supporting those patients. And the hardships, burden of treatments, fears that these patients must endure on a day-to-day basis are now exacerbated with the COVID-19 pandemic. With our technology, MDS patients have been able to share valuable information on the impact of COVID-19. We aggregate this data and share it back to MDS Foundation. For example, we learned that 85% of their constituents report that they're tired, concerned, fearful, and 21% of them are having treatments delayed by the crisis. Why is this important? It allows MDS Foundation to identify segments of their members who are at risk and bring them the appropriate response to keep them safe. And since Embleema is a completely remote solution, we allow users to communicate this information while in the safety of their own home, and also remind them that they are working together as a larger research community group. This is just an example of what we do at Embleema. We provide best-in-class technology to generate critically important data sets that help patients and advance clinical research. Our technology used by the FDA to analyze highly complex data sets. We also work with leading research centers and academia like New York University Langone or George Washington University, and patient groups such as MDS Foundation or Allergy and Asthma Network. Let me show you how this works. When users connect to our app, we take great care of explaining in plain language what the research is about, what's the benefit for them, and what data is collected. The data always belong to users. We have no rights on the data whatsoever, and we will not share it for another study, unless they have explicitly provided another consent to do so. Once users have consented, they can respond to surveys using our app on the move or at home, get points which are redeemed for rewards at the end of each study, retrieve their medical records from their care centers so that they can have their medical history handy. Our system goes beyond patient centricity. It's patient-driven. Thanks to the ARP and MESS Challenge, we made clear progress in improving our user experience. For patient-driven research to yield insights, we need sustained user engagement. Through scientific research reviews and user interviews with different populations, we were able to better understand what drives users the most to our solution, how to optimize our apps for different populations, and how to be crystal clear on how our technology protects the privacy of their most valuable data. This is who we are at Embleema. Our users are at the heart of what we do, and we help them become part of a larger research community and contribute to make the future a healthier and better place. If you're interested in joining our cause, please contact us. Thank you very much.